Okay, so I'm gonna teach Beau to come when called. Watch this. Beau, come!
I'm here.
That was technically correct. Welcome to Pups Teaching Pups. I'm Bono, and that white blur that just skidded past me is my best friend Beau.
Did I do it? Did I come?
You came! Through the fence, again.
I came so fast.
Today we're teaching your puppy the come command, also called recall. It is the most important safety skill your puppy will ever learn.
How many treats?
Beau,
How many treats?
we'll get to that.
I just want to know the number.
Here's why come is so important. If your puppy ever gets loose, near a road, in a park, anywhere, come is the one command that brings them back to you safely.
It's serious.
It is, but the good news is, come is actually one of the most fun commands to teach, because your puppy gets to run to you, and most puppies love running.
I knew that.
Here's what you need. Number 1, treats. Small, soft, smelly.
Now we're talking.
Number 2, a long leash or open space. We're not practicing come in a tiny room. Your puppy needs room to actually run to you. Number 3, the most important ingredient, you. Your voice, your energy, your celebration. The goal is to make coming to you feel like the greatest moment of your puppy's entire day.
It is the greatest moment of my day.
I know, buddy. Step 1, get your puppy's attention. Say their name first, then come. Not just come out of nowhere. Name first. Beau, come.
I'm coming.
And that is why we start with a leash. Step 2, when your puppy starts moving toward you, celebrate immediately. Don't wait until they arrive. Start cheering the second they take that first step in your direction.
Wait, you cheer before I even get there?
The moment you start coming? Yes.
I knew that.
You absolutely did not know that.
I knew that eventually.
Your energy is the reward as much as the treat. Big voice, happy face, open arms, make arriving at you feel like a party.
So, treats and a party?
Yes, this is the party. Step 3, treat the second they arrive, right at your feet. Not a step away, right here. You want your puppy to come all the way in, not stop 3 feet short.
Worth it.
Good boy, Beau.
Can I have another treat?
Step 4, practice in short bursts, 5 to 10 times in a row, then stop. Keeping come exciting means never practicing until your puppy is bored.
I could never be bored of this.
You said that about sit.
Sit got boring.
Short sessions always end while they still want more. Common mistakes. Number 1, calling come when something bad is about to happen. Bath time, nail trim, going inside when the fun is over.
You're not supposed to tell them that.
If come always means fun ends, your puppy will stop coming. Only call come when good things happen.
What he said.
Number 2, punishing your puppy when they finally come, even if they took forever.
This one's important.
Even if it took 10 minutes, even if you're frustrated. The second they arrive, celebrate, because if coming to you feels bad, they'll stop doing it.
It's always a party when I arrive. Always.
Always. Number 3, only saying come once. If you say it 5 times in a row, your puppy learns that come doesn't actually mean right now.
One time, one come, then it means business.
I knew that.
Did you just use my line?
Yes, I did. Let's recap. Step 1, name first, then come. Step 2, cheer the second they move toward you. Step 3, treat right at your feet. Step 4, short sessions, always end while they want more.
And never punish a come, even a late one.
Even a very, very late one.
I was busy.
I know you were, buddy. Try it today, 5 times in a row. Big celebrations, soft treats. And tell us in the comments, how did your puppy do?
Did they come fast? Did they come slow? Did they come through a fence?
We don't need to know if they came through a fence.
Tell us if they came through a fence.
Next episode, Beau tries to lie all the way down, dramatically.
I don't want to talk about it.
Subscribe so you don't miss it.
See you next time. Woof!
See you next time. Woof!